What's up everyone, this is Chaotic Sonics. Today I'm going to show you how to make this unique Cyberpunk Square Lead with Ragnarök and Voltage Modular. I chose Ragnarök because I liked the way the synth sounded, but I needed some FM to make it sound more cyberpunk. So I used Voltage Modular as an effect and used Filter FM. I also used a vocoder with original signal as EXT or the modulator. Two important automations I made was automating the filter FM cutoff on Voltage Modular and the detune spread on Ragnarök. The first plugin effect I'm using is Voltage Modular. I have a spring reverb, which is going into the filter frequency cutoff, and res mod FM. Also, the original signal is going in there too. And then a variable pole is going into two different filters, left and right. And the original signal is going into the frequency mod of both different filters. The left side is exponential, and the right side is linear. And then the 11th pole is going into the res mod of the left and right filter, and then a low pass on the left and right side to create a stereo effect. The next effect I'm using is VBVC, Foam Bucket Vocoder, DB Comp, Prebox, LCF, Spec Comp, Nasty DLA MK2, with no delay only for the chorus effect, and then delay. Orville River, and Veramoon. Comment, rate, share, subscribe, and stay safe.